Hey guys, good afternoon. We have a spectacular Buffalo Mozzarella Roulade that's going to replace our competition, the Nice Skill competition, and that's going to be for next week. And let's talk about what we're going to do with the, pardon me? Oh, not yet, okay. So what we have is a Buffalo Mozzarella Curd, and we're going to congeal this and make an awesome appetizers or entrees, however you want to use it. But I'm going to get that started right now. So what I have now is about 2 quarts of water, and I'm going to have some generous salt and pepper in the water. Then we're going to add the Buffalo Mozzarella Curd and crumble that up. And the key with the curd is you want to put it all in the water and break it up consistently so it all cooks the same. And we're going to let that cook a little bit. Darren's got a great picture of that. So it boiled, salt, pepper, the mozzarella curd, and then we're going to turn that off for just a few seconds and let that all congeal. So we're going to make a roulade out of this. So Gabby is going to make the stuffing for it, which is tomatoes, good, basil, which I'm going to cut over here. Keep going, Gabby, you're doing good. I got the basil, put all the garlic in there. Gabby, what are we making today?
Mozzarella.
Mozzarella. What's the mozzarella going to be like?
Like a marshmallow.
Like a marshmallow. Is it marshmallow mozzarella or just, okay, stir it up really good. And by that time, then that's why Paul has all these gloves on, is you can see the mozzarella is starting to congeal. Look how long it gets. So it doesn't take long for that curd to congeal.
Yeah.
Okay, you're good. Keep stirring. I'm gonna get rid of this burner. I'm gonna get my rack out. And we're gonna pull all this mozzarella with our strainer. You did good. Okay, we'll get rid of the cups. We're gonna spray a little pan spray on these aluminum foil sheets to make a little roulade. And then, look at the cheese, how quick that happens. Again, I boiled the water, and then we turned it off. And then we're gonna put it on this, try to get it on this aluminum foil. One, that's why I have 2 gloves on. So we're gonna make 2 different roulades. We're gonna push it off, and this mozzarella we're going to stuff with the tomatoes and the basil. Just like so. Okay, get rid of the water. So the problem with mozzarella when you do it fresh like this generally is you over stir it. Okay? Huh? You don't need gloves. Okay, so Gabby, you're going to do this one, and I'm going to do this one. So watch how we do it.
That's hot.
Yeah, it's hot. So we got the tomatoes, we have the basil, we have the garlic. We're going to put it right in the middle, just like so. There's Gabby's, if she wishes to participate. And here is mine. And we were going to roll this just like so. And notice we have the foil in here too. Okay, but we want to make the roll consistent with the size of the bread, which is right over here to our side. So I'm going to use this aluminum foil. Okay, Gabby, you want to try to roll it up?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead, roll it up. You got to put the chapstick down though. Okay. So rolling the mozzarella. Like so, and then I'm going to squeeze it, make it tight, and put it in ice back. And it looks like I will probably do both of those. You want my help? Well, you can do it. Oh, I guess not. Okay, so roll it over. Okay? Just like so.
I don't want to.
Okay, that's fine. So mozzarella. So in our next video, we are going to show how we do a plate presentation. After these have cooled, and you can cool these in an ice bath like I'm doing it right now, or you can actually put them in the refrigerator for a half an hour, 40 minutes, till they get to about 80 degrees where you can really slices. The benefit of this fresh mozzarella is there's no preservatives. All there is just a little salt and pepper and garlic in the water, and the flavor is exceptional. So I'll see you in the next video.